Today's Handyman Land video is going to be about how to replace the brake light and the signal light on these town countries. The first way you can know that there's something wrong with your vehicle is when you switching lanes. That's the way your signal should be. Now if it's going like this, going crazy, that's an indication that there is something wrong with your signal light. That's the way it should be. So we need to replace these bulbs. So the first step on removing this cover here, it's removing these two. So I have no tools with me. The only thing I have is my Leatherman. So I'm going to use this to pull these plugs out. Once you pop it out, you can pull it all the way out. There's your next one. So I got this part out. We can just unplug it from here. It's just squeezing that tab on the back side. Okay, so I pushed the red tab inward. Now it should just come right out. Now our bulbs are inside here. So here's the bulbs. So the bulb is 3057. So as you can see, I'm doing this right outside of Vance Auto. I'm gonna go in there, get the bulbs, put them in. So here I made my purchase at $8.99 for 2 bulbs. The old bulb is out. There's the other one. New ones are in. All you gotta do is just pull out and push in. And just get it in here. That's it. So when you plug in your connector, you wanna make sure you close this tab. Just push it in. It should come out on the other side. Take this little notch there. Goes right in there. Just like so. Just follow the holes right here. Okay, bulbs are in. Moment of truth. There you go. It's working. There you have it. I replaced the 2 bulbs. Took me about a minute to take them out. Probably a minute to put it back in. Took me longer to go walk inside of Vance and make my purchase. So this is a quick fix. You could do it yourself. I hope you like this video. Hope it helped somebody out there. Thank you for watching another Handyman Land video. Like and subscribe. Have a good one.